Hey guys, I'm Robert from Healthnews, and today I'll be reviewing Bioniq Pro supplements that were tailored specifically for me. Now, what's Bioniq Pro exactly? It's a highly personalized, custom-made dietary supplement tailored to each person's health needs. Bioniq, the brand behind these supplements, creates them on your answers to a health quiz and blood test results. According to the brand, their database is made up of more than 3 million biochemical data points, which allows the AI-powered algorithm to create precise doses of specific micronutrients. Bioniq Pro is also backed by studies which report that a personalized approach to supplementation may help improve overall well-being by addressing micronutrient deficiencies in your body. Finally, the brand states that Bioniq Pro's unique blend of nutrient-specific granules provides the highest level of bioavailability. Now, all these claims about Bioniq Pro really caught my attention, so I decided to put it to the test. So let's see what steps I had to take to receive my own set of these personalized supplements. Blood testing shows your specific nutrient deficiencies and helps Bioniq to develop a unique and personalized supplement formula. Now, you have two options here. The first one is to book a 50-parameter blood test through the Bioniq website. The second option is to upload your recent blood test report. I personally chose the second option since it was just more convenient for me. Keep in mind that there are specific blood test parameters that Bioniq requires, but that wasn't the issue for me since they provide the list of required parameters on their website. And now, let's move to my favorite part. Once Bioniq received my blood test results and questionnaire, their team processed the results, uploaded them on the Bioniq app, and created a special supplement formula just for me. Also, once the results were ready, I was able to book a one-on-one call with a Bioniq nutritionist who helped me to understand my test results and nutrition deficiencies better. And talking about the app, I actually haven't used it much yet since I've just received my supplements, but we can quickly take a look at what functions it has. On the Home tab, I can do my daily vitamin check-in to track my usage, find the streams of different workouts, read the articles on Bioniq's blog, and find frequently asked questions. Then, on the Analytics tab, I can access my blood test results and parameters, check my personalized formula recipe, and how to take it. On the Formula tab, I see there's the same formula recipe. Well, that looks a bit repetitive, and I'm not sure if it should be included in two separate tabs. It's about time to see what I actually received in the Bioniq Pro package. So, I've got one pack of personalized supplements, which come in the form of granules. Apparently, this particular form gives you a high level of bioavailability. As far as I know, if you find it difficult to swallow, you can mix it with drinks or your morning yogurt, for example. But keep in mind that Bioniq doesn't recommend fully blending the granules with smoothies or mixing it with hot drinks, because it might impact the bioavailability of the nutrients. Next, there's a bag of omega-3 capsules. The reason why it comes separately is because omega-3 acids, unlike other micronutrients, are usually manufactured in soft gel capsules for your body to absorb them easier. Omega-3 acids are essential for maintaining optimal health, including brain function, immunity, and heart health. We also have two metal containers, one for my personalized supplements and another for omega acids. If you decide to try Bioniq Pro, you'll get your own containers with your name on them. And I have to say, I'm really impressed by the sustainable packaging. Once you're done with your personalized supplements and omega acids, you can recycle these plastic bags and store new products in these containers. Finally, there's a spoon that is tailored for the precise dosage of the supplements, and a travel box, which I think is perfect when you don't want to carry big packages wherever you go. And the best part? You can distribute the supplements in this box for each day of the week. I put the link in the description below where you'll find a special deal for these personalized supplements. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the Healthnews channel so you don't miss our videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.